Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working PC and mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, I will show the solution for PC. Start by heading to the Roblox website and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the screen, click on the gear icon and open the settings menu. From the left hand side, select the privacy and content maturity section. Here, select communication and then go to voice chat. If the microphone option is available, turn on the use microphone to chat with voice setting. If Roblox asks for your parental PIN, enter it and click unlock. Then click the enable button to activate your microphone. Next, right-click the speaker icon on your Windows taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Input Device options, choose your microphone from the list and set the volume to 100. After that, launch Roblox and load into any experience. Open the Roblox settings either by clicking the Roblox icon in the corner or pressing the Escape key. Go to the Settings tab, scroll down and look for the Input Device option. Use the arrow buttons to select the exact microphone you want to use for Roblox. Also set the output device to the speakers or headphones you want to hear game audio and voice chat through. Once done, head to top left and click the microphone icon. Make sure the microphone button has green on it, which means the mic is active. If it has a slash through it, then voice chat is turned off. If voice chat still isn't working, leave the game. On the side panel of the Roblox website, click More, then scroll down and choose the Log Out option. Confirm that you want to log out. Close the Roblox player completely, reopen Roblox, sign in again, and load into another experience to see if the microphone icon appears. If it still doesn't show up, close Roblox again and proceed with the next fix. Right-click on the Windows Start menu, then select Installed Apps. Use the search box to look for Roblox. Click the three dots beside Roblox or simply select it on Windows 10 and choose Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Wait for Roblox to uninstall completely. After that, find your Roblox installer file. If you don't have it, simply go to the Roblox website and try playing any experience the installer will automatically download. Open the installer and reinstall Roblox. Once reinstalled, sign in again and load into a voice chat supported experience. You should now see the microphone icon available, meaning the voice chat not working issue is fixed. Now for the mobile fix, start by opening the Roblox application and sign into your account. Here, select the More option from the bottom menu. Scroll down and open the settings near the bottom. Tap on the Privacy and Content Maturity option, wait for the page to load, and then select Communication. Open the voice chat settings. If you don't have this option, don't worry, we will be covering more solutions in a moment. If the option is there, turn off the enable microphone setting, wait a second, and then turn it back on. Close Roblox and test your microphone. If it still doesn't work, head back into the settings and select account info. If you obtain voice chat access by verifying your phone number, you can try removing and re-adding it. If you got voice chat through a trial or identity verification, you can try adding your phone number to restore access. Once the number is added, tap the back button. Then select Privacy and Content Maturity once again, open Communication, then go to Voice Chat, turn on the Enable Microphone option and try testing voice chat in Roblox. If voice chat still isn't working, close the app completely. Open the Settings app on your mobile device, then scroll down and find the Apps option. On Apple devices, this section will be located at the bottom. Tap on Apps, then open the search box. Type Roblox and select the Roblox app. Make sure the microphone permission is turned on. If it is already enabled, turn it off and then back on again. Open Roblox afterward and test if voice chat is working. Another reason voice chat may not work is that your mobile device thinks a microphone or earphones are connected when they're not. To fix this, try connecting wired headphones or a microphone, wait a few seconds, then disconnect them. If you use Bluetooth headphones, ensure that your device is not still connected to them in the background. You can also try using wired or wireless headphones to get voice chat working correctly. If voice chat still doesn't work, then reinstalling the Roblox app may help. To do this, open your device's settings and go to the general options. Select the storage section on iPhone. This is labeled iPhone storage, then scroll down and tap on Roblox. Tap the delete app button and note that you will need to sign back into your Roblox account afterward. Confirm by selecting delete and Roblox will be uninstalled. Go to the App Store, find Roblox and tap the download button. Open the app once it's installed, sign into your account, and the voice chat not working issue should now be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox voice chat not working PC and mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.